This is the business customer buying season of the year, but do you know how to take advantage of it to bring in extra cash before Christmas without any more bookings? And when I say extra cash, I don't just mean a token amount, I'm talking about a significant amount of extra cash. Again, without any more guest bookings or cooking any breakfast for that matter. I'd like to let you in on a well-kept secret that is a terrific opportunity for you. It's one that I've used myself and with my clients and students many times to generate anywhere from several hundred to several $1,000s in just a few weeks in the run-up to Christmas. Did you know that the guests who've stayed with you over the past year or even over many years are looking for gifts for their loved ones right now? And did you know that typically retail businesses make over 61% of their revenue in the few weeks just before Christmas? Right now, it's the buying season where we're all actively looking to purchase Christmas gifts for those we love. And who do we normally buy from? People and brands we trust, right? And also people and brands that we associate with happy times. So how great would it be if you could quickly and easily set up some holiday gifts in a simple online shop that will allow your guests to buy lovely gifts from you for Christmas? And how great would it be if that created a nice, easy extra cash flow for you in a fun and non-salesy way that you and your guests would love? Our upcoming 5-day rapid implementation, rapid results Christmas Cash Boost workshop will help you to do just that. It's going to start on Monday, November 29th, and I'm already hearing from fellow B&B owners who are excited to get started. So let me give you a quick couple of real-life examples so that you can see for yourself how quick, easy and profitable and enjoyable this is. June in the USA set up a small range of products, some of which she was offering for free at her B&B and some were chargeable. The products she was selling were going well on the ground at her property, but she'd never thought about selling them online as well. When I showed her how to do this very easily and simply, she set up her online shop and then using the templates that I provided for her, she sent a short series of emails to her past guests. And in the first few days, she took 60 orders of lotions, gift cards and coasters, giving her a welcome cash boost just when she needed it. And Marie, who decided to create a storybook around her delicious recipes, plus note cards and gift certificates. She also sent a short email series using the templates that I gave her, and her online shop keeps working even when she's not, giving her a welcome cash infusion on a regular basis. So that gives you a quick taste of the excellent results that this has produced for fellow B&B owners that I've taught and how quick and easy they found it. I've got plenty of other examples to show you, but to honour your time, let me tell you what's included in this 5-day rapid implementation, rapid results workshop. I'm going to show you, number 1, how to find and select great gift ideas that will delight your guests, sell well online and be profitable for you, even if you've never done anything like this before. Number 2, how to set up your online store quickly and easily without getting overwhelmed or bogged down with technology. Even if technology gives you the heebie-jeebies, trust me, I can relate. Number 3, how to manage order fulfillment simply, easily and professionally and profitably so you don't end up working like a dog and for peanuts. That's the opposite of what we want, right? Number 4, how to create and launch a holiday gift email campaign that will delight your past guests and get them enthused so the gift orders start flowing in within days and keep coming. Number 5, how to use this gift campaign to also boost your guest bookings over the coming months. So in a nutshell, we'll be doing a thorough yet quick and easy implementation of this system for quickly generating significant cash for you before the holiday season. And I'll be holding your hand throughout over the course of just 5 days, so you'll get up and running very, very quickly. My clients and students have done this to great effect, some of them making hundreds, even thousands in their first attempt from this simple and little known strategy. And on that note, of course, the Christmas holiday season is popular. But guess what? Once you're up and running with your online gift shop, you can use it throughout the year, adapting it to the seasons and to the times of the year to bring in new cash easily and quickly all year round. That means that not only can you jumpstart your online gift business quickly over the next couple of weeks, you can also be earning more and more every time you launch one of my simple email campaigns, using the templates and processes that I provide in our upcoming workshop. Sounds exciting, right? Of course, you'll also be creating a lot of goodwill with your past guests, even if it's been some while since they last stayed with you. And as we all know, goodwill goes a long way in our industry. And that leads to more guest bookings on top of your online gift shop sales. It only takes a few hours of your time to bring this all together, and I'll be walking you through step by step via my proven process. And we'll be doing it together as a group, so you and your fellow B&B owners can get your questions answered live and also compare notes, share ideas and cheer each other on. The great news is this all takes place over the course of just 1 week, so you'll be up and running with your online gift shop and ready to take orders in early December, well in time for Christmas. On each day of the week, starting on Monday, November 29th, for just 5 days, I'll be holding a live call to walk you through the steps for that day. I'll also be providing you with my proven tips, templates and suggestions for any simple tools that you might want to use to keep this simple and easy. And if for any reason you can't make one of these calls, don't worry, you'll be able to access the call recording in our new dedicated members area, where you'll also be able to ask questions and interact with your fellow B&B owners. So let's talk about you. How great would it be for you to generate a significant amount of extra cash between now and Christmas? And to do so in a simple, quick and fun way that will delight you and delight your guests, and enable you to stand out more clearly in the crowded B&B marketplace, and provide you with a cash boosting revenue stream for the entire year to generate further goodwill, awareness and bookings from your past guests. You'll be solving a big problem for your guests right now in a refreshing way that they're going to love. And after all, how many of us would welcome a brand new gift idea for those that we love? Gifts that aren't the same old from the usual places because we couldn't find or think about anything else. And how about you? What would it mean to you to spend just a few hours with us setting this up and having a profitable, easy to run sideline that can generate hundreds or even thousands in extra cash between now and Christmas, and that you could repeat throughout the year? Knowing what it's like to live the life of a busy B&B owner myself for 17 years, I know how vital it is that each part of your business is as straightforward and productive and profitable as possible. And that's what this strategy is all about. As you can see, it works very, very well. So let's talk about value, because once we've got to this point, it's also vital that this strategy provides you with a great return on your investment. And like everything else I've shared so far, I've also thought about this carefully through the eyes of a fellow B&B owner. My goal is to do everything that I can for you to be successful with your online gift shop, starting with this holiday season. Based on the successes I've seen with my clients and students over the past several years, I want you to be able to generate at least a few $100s in sales, extra cash from your online gift shop, and to be able to continue earning extra cash throughout the year from this shop. Frankly, although I'm prohibited by law from promising you personally how much you earn, I can promise you that I'll be doing my best to position you for hundreds and then thousands of extra dollars starting with the run-up to Christmas this year and ongoing indefinitely. And with those firm foundations in place, I looked at what would be not just a really fair price for this 5-day rapid implementation, rapid results, Christmas cash boost workshop. I also wanted it to feel like a great price when you consider what your online shop will do for you. I know it will set you up for earning significant extra cash quickly. And throughout the year, I also know that it will generate extra goodwill that will help you attract more bookings, more direct bookings throughout the year. And you can leverage it even further. For example, with joint ventures with other B&B owners. Some of our students have done that to generate even more income now and in the future. And we'll talk more about those strategies during our time together in the workshop. So when you start to see all these solid value add opportunities, you quickly realise that this workshop is worth investing several $100s in. But I'm not going to ask that of you. But even if you were happy to invest what this is worth, say $497, it would still be a great investment. However, to make this a really easy decision for you and a terrific investment, I've decided to offer it at a fraction of the usual price. Instead of $497, you can get everything I've just described for the extra special price of just $97. That gets you my detailed live walkthrough tutorials, my proven templates and processes, my personal attention to answering your questions in our dedicated members area. And after our 5 days of live calls with access to the recordings, I'm also going to hold 2 further calls where you can ask any questions to get you on the right track and up and running smoothly. So what do you say? How about we provide you and your guests with an extra delight this Christmas and provide you with that lovely extra cash, all in a way that your guests and that you will love. Then join me on our 5-day rapid implementation, rapid results Christmas cash boost workshop starting Monday, November 29th, where I'll personally walk you through my 3 easy to follow simple stages to setting up and marketing your online shop for Christmas. Just click on the button next to this video and we'll see you on the inside.